Well, these CGI videos are a great opportunity because they are new and not many people know about how to create them. So, good money can be made in this. For example, I want to make this. There are two elements to this. There is a telephone as a 3D object in the scene, and then there is a background video. So this is a 3D model which is used in the video, and then secondly, this is the video which acts as a place or a scene. Now there's two parts to the equation: creating a 3D model and animating the 3D model. I have shown you multiple websites where you can create a 3D model. You can either create a model with typing or putting an image. So I have made the first part very easy. Second part is animating the 3D models. This is where you guys will have to do the hard work. You have to learn the basics of software. Like this is the software you have to learn. This is called Blender. Don't worry, this is free since it is open source. You will have to learn some few tutorials on this. Once you get the hang of it, you can then jump on creating the CGI videos. For example, this is the Blender software. Here I have imported the 3D model. This is my scene where things will happen. I will have to animate this telephone in a way it comes out of the building. So finally the video will look something like this. Don't worry, I know it looks intimidating, but once you get hang of the basics, then you can jump into creating your own CGI models. Lastly, let me give you a sneak peek on what I'm working on. These are some of the images. So great things are coming. If you want to learn how, then subscribe and follow me on Insta.